What do you get when thousands of cat lovers, 15 magnificent breeds, and a buzzing expo center come together under one roof? You get Cat Expo India 2025, the largest celebration of all things feline, held on the 25th of May at Vashi, Navi Mumbai.
FCI is not new to us. We are ardent fans of FCI for years now.
It is so exciting. Oh my god, so interesting. All these cats are so cute and so beautiful. And the best part is they're all so friendly. They all want to play. My god, this is the best.
We love seeing other cats, exotic cats, so many breeds. You don't get to see them every day. So we make sure that we participate.
FCI जो है कस्टमर ओरिएंटेड चीज़ है और FCI जो है अपनी चीज़ों को करने में काफ़ी कंसिस्टेंट है। वो लोग जो है कस्टमर के बारे में सोचते हैं, कैट्स के बारे में सोचते हैं। जैसे साकिब भाई उनकी जब बात सुनते हैं, हम उनकी स्पीच सुनते हैं तो ऐसी ऐसी बातें सीखने को मिलती है जो कभी सुने ही नहीं, तो काफ़ी जो है फायदेमंद होती है, नॉलेजेबल होती है।
Great breeds and lovely pets. It always lightens your mood.
कि वहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक I'm just smiling. So there is only one reason that there's so many beautiful cats around here, and everyone, each and every cat is so adorable. And more than that, those eyes, those beautiful eyes, if you see them, if you look at them, you can't take your eyes off them. So it is something different only. So I kind of like it here.
This year, we smashed all records, welcoming over 15,000 attendees in just one action-packed day. From lifelong cat parents to curious first-timers, every corner of the venue pulsed with feline love.
ये जो है feline club बहुत अच्छा है और I really love this arrangement and all, food arrangement and stalls, so many food, cat foods and all.
Cat requires high amount of vitamin A, high amount of protein, and also good amount of taurine. So because this is essentially required, and also cats are not capable of producing this within the body. So our products, Viscus and Shiba, they have good amount of protein content, vitamin A, and also taurine, which will be helping them for their vision, and also they will be helping with a good heart.
So many cats, and we met so many breeds, and the participation competition what was going on. It was very nice to see the fishes and everything.
It's the name itself says, because Purina and Nestle, they both are 100 years old companies.
Okay.
So be it a pet nutrition, be it the legacy, be it the product range, we are the best. In India, we are slowly and gradually stepping up our stones, but you can see our gravy portfolio, dry portfolio, they are being accepted by the pet parents really well.
कैट एक्सपो इसका लेवल बहुत हाई लेवल का है और इंडिया में इससे बिगेस्ट कैट शो अभी तक नहीं हुआ और इससे आगे नहीं होगा, ओनली FCI का होगा, ये मैं गारंटी से कह सकता हूँ।
ये तो हर कोई इगरली वेट करता है कब शुरू होगा और शुरू होने के बाद में जिस तरीके से आप लोगों का जो कॉपरेशन है, तो आप जिस तरीके से आपकी मेहनत है, जिस तरीके से आपका डेडिकेशन है, जिसकी वजह से जो लोगों का इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है, जिस तरीके से हमारे कस्टमर्स बढ़ते हैं, जब भी आपका एक्सपो होता है हर टाइम हमारे 25-35 कस्टमर्स बढ़ते हैं।
As a carnival, the Grown Feed is about 30 years old company. We are working with the fish feed and shrimp feed, but the kind of we launch the product. This is the right platform to interact with the pet parent and your BD segment channel.
Got to meet a lot of people who love cat, and they have been stopping him and taking pictures. It's very cute. He's getting showered with love and affection. That's really sweet.
The stars of the show? 15 spectacular breeds showcased by passionate professional breeders and associations. From the regal Maine Coons to the playful Bengals, it was a stunning showcase of beauty, grace, and personality. Adding star power were our expert international judges and feline influencers who lit up the stage with their expertise and charm.
Here we get to know what our product is like from the consumers, because we are directly into B2B right now. And here we get to interact with B2C people.
Yeah.
So that gives us a very good understanding of the product, how the cat is behaving in terms of
Getting the knowledge of
yes,
the-
yes, yes. So a variety of samples we are giving.
Yeah.
We're giving different foods also. So we understand that this is how the cat industry is growing and how people react to the product.
It's very nice to see different breed cats on here. Even I myself, I've got a Persian cat at home. So it's really exciting.
I think we get to see so many breeds here. I think
I've never seen such varieties of cats in my life. So this is the most breeds of cat that I've ever seen. So it's very beautiful.
It is one of the best of the best आपका प्रोग्राम होता है.
A massive shout out to the pillars behind this success. Our title partner, Rules, co-event partner, Whiskas, retail partner, Heads Up for Tails, associate partners, Royal Canin, Mio, Carnival, Bark Out Loud by Vivaldis, Avant Force, tourism partner, Maharashtra Tourism, vet partner, Cessna Lifeline Hospital, grooming partner, Scoopy Scrub, media partners, creature companion, dogs and pups, cats and kittens, PetsCare.
Ever since I've been in this industry, I've been working with Saqib Bhai and FCI and all their breeder members for a long time. It's extremely aligned with the kind of work that we like to do. As a brand, we want our products to reach to the right audience, and being associated with FCI just does that. This is one of the best show ever. I don't think such a huge turnout has ever been in any of the event. 10,000 cat parents under the same roof. And they're all serious cat parents. You know, they want to know what's good. They want to know how can they help their cats, how can they make their lives better. And here we are talking about a product. We also had this opportunity of launching Meowsy. It was grand. It was extremely well organized, and we're loving it here.
How to groom them, how to take care of it. And there are so many options available right now. It's really eye-opening.
we've been in the industry for past 10 years. We are known for our products, prescription products. So we started off with our treats. Now we have escalated to our cat food as well as dog food, which is gaining acceptance in the market. So we believe in giving quality with the goodness. That is our prime motto.
I am so excited. We just got here and I've already seen so many cats and I'm going insane. I love cats so very much.
I stumbled into it on social media. I was scrolling through Instagram and I just found it, and I'm like, I want to come here. I don't care. I convinced my parents. My parents are right there, and I convinced them to come here. Nahi aana hi padega yahan pe.
I mean, I waited the entire year for this because every year I used to bring him. So this year I wanted to do something new, so I got all of them.
Thank you for believing in this vision and making it real. To our exhibitors, visitors, volunteers, this show belonged to you. Your energy, your love, your dedication turned this dream into a roaring, purring reality.
You know, there's a beautiful thing that cat teaches you. They teach us self-love. They're so self-independent, self-reliable, they don't need anybody. But what I love about cats is they tell me, you're so complete, you don't need anybody, you're good as you are. And that is one lesson I tell myself every day looking at my two royals and royal queens who are sitting at home right now.
So myself back home, I have a dozen or so cats. So they are just stray that comes to my home. So I just take care of them.
And while Cat Expo India 2025 has wrapped, the memories, the connections, and the magic, that lives on. This is start of show season 2025 to 2026. Bigger, bolder, and even more awesome.